Okay, here's updates to my engines. The engines I did so far. Here's Diesel. Um, he's all black now, cause, well, I did all of this with this permanent marker, so yeah. So we have Diesel. That's the song's Diesel. We have Edward. Yeah, his roof is all scratched. So yeah. So I painted it, and here's Edward's tender, and there we go. I put that there because I just felt like it because all tender engines have that. Because I like look at Steven, look at that. Yeah. Here's Aeneas. I tried to do his roof, but it just kept like getting off. So yeah, I did that. You can kind of tell. Here's Duke's tender. See? You are just the engine we need in good strength. Here's Molly's tender. Yes, sir. Here's my talking James. Here. Yes, sir. Okay, so I took them apart, and here's James's roof. It's now all black. And now let's look at the back, and there we go. Look at that. Hello, Edward, my friend. What brings you here? There we go. This is Barry. And here's James's tender. Can you please restore him? Sure thing. Just put him on the turntable. Here are the two other tenders. I'm going to use them for like a new engine. On the turntable. For this guy right here. So, yeah. You'll be fixed in no time. There's Emily's tender. Barry became more newer like he was back in his early years. But one day, a surprise. Gordon's tender, and then there's Gordon's tender and Henry's tender. I fixed his thing, and Mavis looks brand new. Percy sort of does. And there's Paxton and the other engines. And over here, I didn't do much to Hank. I just did his Cole because that was all. And then here's Neville looking like he just got bought off of eBay. And here's Hero also. Here's Toby's funnels. I haven't done too much to Spencer's timber yet, so yeah. There's Duncan's roof. All I did to Isabella was, well, her, funnel. That's all I did. You could use either one. Let me see. Oh yeah, on these, models, I kinda painted well not painted, but colored those things on black. So yeah. As we all are. Welcome to the Northwestern Railway. So, yeah. Barry couldn't have been any happier. But yeah, here's Murdoch's tender. I can't remember if I showed this or not, but here we go. And here's Eagle's tender.